Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by mapping and anchoring the frame so the clouds stay stable. This is the structural step that makes the rest predictable. Once done, install metal strut or lightweight grid on marked joists using screws and toggle anchors to distribute load. You do this because cloud panels can sag without even support. Make sure to leave access points for wiring and to test existing ceiling strength. You will save rework and prevent future failures. You next craft cloud shapes and install lighting so the effect looks natural. This combines form and illumination. Once frames are ready, attach diffused LED strips to inner edges and hide wiring along struts. You do this because indirect light creates soft glow and depth. Then fasten polyfill in layers with spray adhesive and zip ties to form fluffy contours, making sure to step back and adjust density to avoid flat patches and preserve volume. You finish by securing panels and running final tests so the installation is safe and reliable. Once complete, trim excess fibers, install breathable mesh or fire barrier, and verify LED heat remains low. You do this because heat buildup can degrade fibers. Make sure to test each dim level and tighten fasteners. Troubleshooting tip: if sag or discoloration appears, decrease LED output and add 1/2 inch air gap. Then replace any scorched fiber immediately to prevent spread.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.